Hi everyone, I'm Gary and I'm excited to highlight what developers have been building in Microsoft Teams. We have Nandip with us today who has brought us an innovative app called Knowledge Quest. So let's jump in. So Nandip, could you tell us a bit about the inspiration behind this app and how it came to life?
Hey, hi everyone, Nandadeep here. All right, so the inspiration behind this was just to test the knowledge, okay? Because we have got lot many things that we want to test our knowledge against, but probably we are looking out for some kind of an tool or maybe some kind of an website where we can go ahead test out our knowledge. So this is the solution that we have built. It is nothing but an Microsoft Teams bot, which is kind of an interactive chat bot, which is designed to allow users to test their knowledge on any of the subjects. So be it be technical knowledge, it could be history, it could be geography or anything. So if in case you want to go ahead test out your knowledge, in that case this bot can give you that kind of an wizard wherein you can create your self assessment kind of a thing, and from there you will be able to test out your knowledge. So you can select your assignment topics, like for which topic that you want to assess your knowledge on. You can define the number of questions and that's it can post you those questions, and then you are pretty much ready to test out your knowledge. Yeah.
Nice. So yeah, basically, if you got an exam coming up, or you just want to check, where is your knowledge out, just quickly jump into this app and get some questions and just
Correct,
test yourself.
correct.
Really,
Yeah.
great. So why build this in Teams? Why build it here?
Correct, correct. Yeah, means right now everything is inside Microsoft Teams. So we want everything to be as a central place, which is in Microsoft Teams. And then this is a bot wherein user don't need to navigate away from Teams, but they will be able to directly have that experience inside Microsoft Teams itself. So this is the bot which has been designed with OpenAI, specifically with Azure OpenAI. But for example, if we keep it as a different application, probably user have to navigate to that application, test out the knowledge and do all those things. But we want to have the simple experience for the users, so that while they are working on anything else, they can just use this as an app inside Microsoft Teams, and they will be able to test out their knowledge right within Microsoft Teams. So they don't need to leave the Teams, go to another application, do all those things, but everything will be right inside. So this is kind of a bot which talks to the Azure OpenAI services, get the prompts as well as the outcome from the Azure Open AI, and then gives us the entire result. So we wanted everything to be inside Microsoft Teams interface. So that's the reason this is a bot which is sitting inside your Microsoft Teams and help you to test your knowledge without leaving the Teams experience.
Great. And obviously Teams is used, across different organizations, but educational institutions as well. And obviously that, having that a way to quickly test your knowledge
Yeah.
within Teams with the tools that you're already using is going to be a great benefit. So fantastic. We've
Yeah.
talked about it. So let's take a look. Can you take us through your app?
Yeah, definitely. So right now you can see that I'm inside Microsoft Teams and I have this knowledge quest which is running as a bot inside my Microsoft Teams. Again, you can add this bot as a personal app or maybe inside of a channel, or if you want to have it inside your meeting as well, you will be able to do that. So here we have got this bot, and then once I click here, we have got two menus to choose from: welcome as well as learn. Learn will just give you more information about this bot, like how to use this, again what kind of a technology or architecture has been built here. But let us get into the welcome. So once we post this welcome kind of a message to this bot, this is going to ask us like what that we want to go ahead with this bot. So there will be a welcome card, that one will be posted here. So we have got two options here. First thing is select self assessment, wherein you will be able to go ahead, select your assessment topic, select the number of questions that you want to assess upon, and then you can start testing your knowledge. The second thing here is my statistics, which is right now work in progress, but let me just show you that. So my statistics all about the statistics or all of the assessment that you have given into the past, based on which was the topic that you assessed your knowledge on, how many questions that you chosen for, how many are the correct questions, and then what kind of a percentage that you have received on that assessment. Okay. So now that let's say now that you want to go ahead test out your knowledge, you can go ahead, click the select self assessment, and now that this one will give you a wizard wherein you can select the topic. So now that, let's say I want to assess my knowledge onto Microsoft Azure, so I can place that topic. But again, this bot is not limited to testing only technological kind of a thing. But again, as I said, you can also test out anything related to history, geography, literature, anything that you are interested of, because in the background it is using Azure OpenAI services. So feel free to test out your knowledge on any subject, be it be anything, right? All right. So now that we are, as an example, we want to test out our knowledge on Microsoft Azure and the total number of questions. Let's say we'll go with the default 5. But again, if you want, you can go ahead with 10 questions, 20 questions, how much you want to assess your knowledge upon. So we'll go with Azure assessment for 5 number of questions, and I will just click start self-assessment. So now that what it is going to do is it is going to walk us through the wizard, wherein it will show 5 questions onto our screen. We just need to answer that question. Once we answer, there won't be any chance to come back to the again to the previous question and change your answers, but you will be able to directly give the answer here, and then at the end you will be assessed upon the score. Okay, so I'm not trying to test my knowledge here, but I will just randomly select few of the answers from here. But at the same time, if you want to deep dive more onto this topic, we are also giving the reference link, so you can click on that reference link. It will open up another window, and then in that case you'll be able to read more upon this subject or which is being asked into this question, and then you can choose the right answer. But now that I will just select few answers randomly and we can move from here. So now that I just have answered question 1 of 5, we have now presented with the second questions. I will just randomly select the answers. I'm not looking at the questions now, but okay, I'm just quickly selecting the answer and moving ahead so that we can come to the end part, and then I can show you how the result is being shown. So I'm just quickly selecting those 5 answers, and that's it. So here you can see that it is replacing that card itself, so that you don't have option to again go back to the previous question and change your answer one more time. And now that since this was the last answer, we have got assessed. So my score was pretty much low, 0 out of 5, but this is how you will be assessed. So choose any of the topic that you want to test your knowledge upon. Choose the number of questions. It can walk you through the wizard, wherein you won't be able to proceed back to the previous question, but at the end you will get the entire assessment. Okay, so
That's
that was the quick demo about what can be done with this bot or app.
That's great. I really like the fact that obviously it's using AI, so OpenAI services. It's randomly generating the questions based on the topic, but I like the
Correct.
reference that it gives you as well. That it's actually saying, here's more information as well, which is going to help, for your learning. So fantastic! Thanks very much
Yeah,
for walking us through your application. So thank you very much, Nandi, for coming today and sharing the insights and your application. So if you're wanting to learn more, be sure to check out this project on the Microsoft Adoption Samples Gallery. So all the code is there available for you to take a look at. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.